Ahoy there, everybody. Oh my goodness, it's been like, what, 3 weeks? 2 weeks? I honestly don't remember. And literally, not for a lack of trying. I've had like everything happen in the past like 2 weeks. It's like, I finally caught my breath, okay? Let me talk to you about it.
Let me talk to you!
Let me talk to you. Roll the intro. It has been nuts, to say the least, around the Captain Granite household. Well, first off, it's been raining. Like seriously, like 2 weeks of just straight up rain. Like Mother Nature just lifted up her skirt and was just like, you know what, sprinkles for everyone. And like for 2 weeks we had like, so the last video we had 2 days of 80-degree weather for May, or April, sorry, April, which is not necessarily not unheard of in the Northeast. The Northeast weather changes every 20 minutes, so it's one of those things where it's like, okay, you know, this is nice, but what's coming next? And you know, April showers bring May flowers. Well, May showers also happen and literally don't stop. So been raining. We had a couple of days where it was okay. Like I probably could have gotten out, but there's just other circumstances going on where I couldn't. So we ended up redoing one side of the house, mainly the kitchen wall, outside, mind you, not inside. Well, actually we did a little bit inside too, because we had to replace the window, the kitchen window. Which don't tell the town, but I did not get a permit for. Oh man, the wind is actually pretty damn blustery today. I know you can't really, well, you can't see wind, but it's there. I mean, I can see it. I can't see it, but I feel it. That's the one I'm looking for. I feel it. Anyway, yeah, don't tell the town that I replaced a window or necessarily the wall. My town is so screwed up. So say if little Johnny Sumbitch walks down my street and throws a baseball through my window. In order for me to replace said broken window, I have to go to the town office to get a building permit to fix the window. I know some of you in the chat might be like, no, that's not right. It's 100% right, because I've had many conversations with them about this whole, I think it's just the stupidest thing. They say I need a building permit because it changes the visual aesthetic, quotes there, visual aesthetic of the household. Even if it's the same window I replaced it with that got broken. How dumb is that? They're that bent over like 40 bucks. 40 bucks for that permit. Not happening in town. I'm sorry. And so anyway, oh, that's new. Look at that, your speed. That's brand new. What am I at? 30? I'm at 30. 29, I'll take it. Oh shit, manhole cover. Usually I do a pretty damn good job of missing these. You gonna stop? No? Well, asshole. You gonna power walk? Yeah, you're gonna power walk. You do that, lady. Because my house was originally built in 1860. Yeah, 18, not 19, 18. It's getting close to, it's literally getting close to like 200 years old here. And that's the thing. In my town, well, actually not even just in my town, in the Northeast alone has a lot of like the most like aged houses in the country. Between I think it's between us and Vermont have some of the oldest houses that are still readily readily used in the country. So it's just kind of nice. Oh my god, that car in front of me, its license plate is Vegeta. I want to meet this person and shake their hand and show them my Vegeta tattoos. Tattoos, yes, plural, 2. I have 2 Vegeta tattoos. Oh my god, I cannot say that very fast, can I? Vegeta tattoos, Vegeta tattoos, Vegeta tattoos. Tattooey. Don't you pull out from me. Apple Tree Nursery. Man, I'm fired up today, guys. I'm sorry. I am so fired up. Because, I mean, I have the ability and the want to ride the motorcycle, and I just haven't been able to. And now I am. Because we're here, we're now. Oh, lovely. Lovely jubbly, as my friend Gaming Nacho would say. I wonder if I can yell at this person and say I love their license plate. I'd pull up to their window, but nowadays people get shot. I don't really want to see Vegeta. At the next red light, if we get a red light, I think we'll get a red light. If he's there, I'll honk, I'll point, and then I'll show him my Vegeta tattoo. Yeah, because nowadays you pull up to a car's window and just like, hi! It's followed by a bang. And I don't need that in my life. No. Or maybe he stops at the gas station to get gas. Would that be awkward? I do kind of need gas. I'm at, well, just over a half tank. I'm one of those people where it could be just off the full and I'm like, fuck, I need to fill up. And then it'll be down near empty and be like, I got this. I don't know why. Oh, it's gonna turn green when we're there. Fudge. We might have other opportunities. Follow that Vegeta. No, not follow that Vegeta. No. I gotta get to work. I am hold on, I can't really read what my time clock says. Time clock? I mean clock. Well, I guess it is technically a time. All clocks are time clocks, if you think about it. What's it say? 8. Oh god, 8:17. I'm 17 minutes late for work right now. Look, when I don't have an excuse. I just left late. I wish I did have an excuse. I should come up with one. I had to poop. No, I used that one. I shit my. Why does it have to be poop related? I'm not gonna do a poop related one. I was just late. I took the long way to the office, which is not entirely wrong, because I did take the long way to the office. Oh, he's in the other lane. That's not far enough. I need to be at the... Move up. Ah, what an opportunity missed. Damn it. Ah. Goodbye, Vegeta car. Hello. Oh, that's just numbers. Well, never mind. This person is up my butthole. See? Up my butthole. I don't know if you can see it in the mirror. We moved up. Are we getting it close enough? We're not. That sucks. And they got a green light too. Sadness overcomes me. If you want to talk about more sadness, there's the Chaos and Kindness store. I think I say that every time I go by, because I dislike those people with every ounce and fiber of my being. And don't get me wrong, I am all about spreading kindness and love and being kind to one another. What they do is kindness for profit, and that I hate. And exploitation. They exploit special needs people to gain profit. And I hate that. Absolutely hate that. Yeah, you want to spread that you're doing goodness to them, But as soon as you slap their face and whatnot on a t-shirt and then start selling like $30 for a single t-shirt, and you keep 100% of the profit, yeah, you know what, you do give back like what, 30 bucks, 100 bucks to people in need. Here's 100 bucks. Oh cool, that's gonna buy a carton of eggs and maybe a half gallon of milk at this point. Cool. Yeah, no, I highly despise chaos and kindness, yet everyone loves them. I guess that's a unpopular opinion. There we go, I have an unpopular opinion. Yay. Do you guys have a, is anyone that's still watching, do any of you guys have an unpopular opinion? Because that's mine, at least for locally wise, that's mine. My other one is I still call Indian motorcycles Polaris. Hell, I call this Polaris, so people can't be mad at me about that. Well, Brandon Picasso was mad at me because I called it Polaris. Oh, you think you're funny? Yeah, I do. And it's not entirely wrong. Oh man, this was a fun ride into work. I needed this. I needed the wind in my hair. I'm bald. I don't have any hair. I don't know what I'm talking about. Go BMV. What the hell's a BMV? Yeah, get to the front of the line. I got things to do. Actually, the things to do is actually get to work. I'm 22 minutes late. Son of a bitch. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll be back with another video. I'll probably record when I go home, as long as I know that this actually recorded. If it didn't record, I'm gonna be so damn sad. Oh my god, I'll be sad. Are we gonna get a green light here? Nope, no we're not. I saw you, Statey. I saw you, State Pooper. You thought I was gonna go. He wanted me to go. He felt it in his giblets. He wanted me to go. Hi. He wanted me to go. I saw you. Oh, I have captain vision. I see it. I see it all. Oh my goodness, that was actually gonna be bad if I went. He was gonna be on me like butter on toast, and I'm the sweetness. Or no, I'm the toast. He's the butter. How's that go? Sweet butter. Who'd be the third party? Does he have a dog? Is he a canine unit? No, the dog can't be the sweetness. Don't know. Don't know. Goodbye. Love you. Oh my goodness. All right. I can't end it at a red light, but I will say here at the red light, because it's going to go just cycle through, put it in neutral. All right. I will say thank you all for being here, hanging out with me. It's kind of a nutso ride. Hi, how's it going? Yeah, it was fun. We're going to be back hopefully this afternoon. I'm going to go in, I'm not going to record it, but I'm going to go get this inspected because it needs it. It doesn't need it right now, but it does need it next month. But I will say thank you to all of you hanging out here today. And don't you fucking do it. Woo! That was 60. That was a quick 60 too. Holy shit. Where was that when I was doing my 0 to 60 test? Anyway, if you're not already following me on my socials, there's links. There's links everywhere. You can go to CaptainGrad.com. You can check out my Instagram. You can check out my Twitter. I'm live on Twitch every Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday night, usually around 8:30, 9 p.m. Eastern time. If you guys are there, say hello in the chat. And until the next one, Captain Granite, later.
I wish you, again, all love and peace and chicken grease. And remember this, in this world where you can choose to be anything, I challenge you to choose to be kind.